welcome, namaskar everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze. I am your instructor Neha and we are going to start with another session of 10 minutes of power yoga. This is a follow along video, so please be on your mat comfortably, and those who have attended my previous sessions, they already know that how do we start. First of all, please subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications of our new videos. Now, since we all have only 10 minutes, मैं आपको बहुत ही जल्दी से बताने वाली हूँ कि आपको कैसे बैठना है। आपको बैठना है सिद्धासन में, लेफ्ट लेग नीचे, राइट लेग ऊपर, दोनों घुटने दूर जमीन के पास, हाथ ओपन करके रखिए, पीठ सीधी करके रखिए और आंखों को धीरे से बंद करिए। ब्रीद इन, breathe out, settle into the moment, relax. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Relax. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Hands down and relax. Now we will begin with standing warm-up. Please stand up on your places. Try to stand up without taking any support. Now make sure that you do the warm-up. Even if this is a 10-minute session, 1 minute will be dedicated to warm-up. Just follow me. Okay, one heel at a time. Remember, whenever you practice yoga, you should be empty stomach. Empty means खाना अगर आप खा चुके हैं तो at least 3 hours after your meals, and opposite. Relax, gentle neck movement. Whatever stiffness is there in your body, just remove it. Relax, bend down, loosen up your hands. 3, 2, 1, gentle knee movements. Slowly down and opposite. And relax, calm down. If you feel your body is too tight, okay, if you feel fatigue or stiffness in your body or any part of your body, make sure to extend the warm-up with 1 more minute, okay. Sure, if you're constantly following my sessions, if you're daily in touch of any physical activity or yoga, so आपकी body कम stiff feel करेगी. अगर फिर भी आपको stiffness feel हो रही है, make sure that you increase the duration of your warm-up, okay. Now we are going to start with our first pose. You are going to love it. It is low lunge, okay. Keep shoulder level distance and stand sideways as I am standing. Now we'll keep both the hands on our waist and extend your right leg back. Okay, now I'm going to increase distance as much as possible for me. Okay, take maximum possible distance between your leg. You should feel the stretch in your right leg already. Now lift your heel up and balance. Back will be straight. Once you are comfortable in this pose, we will start bending our knee down and up, down and up. Now make sure the pressure is on your left thigh and nowhere else. I am not bending my right knee. I am not touching my heel down. 5. Remember, stretching is important. 6. If you think that your distance is less, okay, your knee is crossing your heel, okay, then you need to increase distance. 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Take a breath, breathe in and out, and opposite, right foot to right, left in, lift your left heel up and start bending. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. Center and relax. This is excellent exercise for your thighs. Now you can relax yourself. Breathe in and out. Whenever we feel exhausted, what we have to remember, inhale from your nose, exhale from your mouth. Those who feel really exhausted can have a sip of water, but I would not suggest to have water in between the sessions. If it is really important, then you can have it. Now let's move ahead to the next one. Again, we take shoulder level distance between our legs. Okay, this time we are going to combine our lunge with squat. Okay, again I'm keeping shoulder level distance between my legs. Hands are parallel to each other. I'm bending down like this in chair pose. Again up, take right leg back. This time I'm not going for low lunge, so my distance is around 1.5 feet. Okay, and then down in lunge, center, squat, up, left, down, up, center, squat, up, right, down, up, center, squat, up, left, down, up. Speed is not important. We'll be taking at a constant pace. Okay, just collect all your strength. Okay, let's go 8 more times. 1, right, down, center, left, 2, right, 3, right, 4, right, 5, right, 6, right, 7, right, 8, right, 9, right, 10, right, and relax. Whew, calm down. Again, relax your breath. Breathe in and out. Chali, let's continue now. Now we'll come to our inverted dog pose. Hands at the center, legs back. Try to push your heels down, push your chest in. Settle down in this pose first. And then slowly lift your right leg straight up. घुटना सीधा, पंजा बाहर। कम ऑन, पावर योगा है, पावर दिखाइए। 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down and opposite. Left leg straight up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Again, one more round. Right. Come on. No need to relax right now. 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Left leg. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Now slowly knees down. And we are going to relax in Shashankasana. Hips on your heels. Knees are wide spread out. Hands forward, forehead down. Relax. Simply let your breathing cool down. Once you feel better, both the hands under your shoulders, lift up. Okay, knees closer now. And we are going to sit in Vajrasana. Let's sit in Vajrasana, and what we'll do, we'll go for cat and cow movement into Vajrasana. Look at me carefully. Breathe in, roll your shoulders back, lower back will push in and head will be lifted up. As you breathe out, roll your shoulders in, lower back bulging out, head will be in. Again, inhale, expand your chest. Again, exhale. Complete spinal movement, spinal stretch. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Make sure this is a relaxing pose. You should not feel any pain or pressure at any point in your body, okay? Breathe in. Come back to your center and relax. Now we can sit comfortably. जो मेरे साथ प्रैक्टिस करते आ रहे हैं उन्हें ये पता है, और जो न्यू जॉइनर्स हैं वो भी अब इसे जान लेंगे। हर सेशन के बाद रिलैक्सेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। जैसे वार्म अप इंपॉर्टेंट है वैसे ही रिलैक्सेशन भी इंपॉर्टेंट है। इसको मिस नहीं करना है। यूट्यूब वीडियो एकदम से बंद करके अपने काम को भागना नहीं है। 1 minute 30 seconds ऑफ रिलैक्सेशन इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। ओके, डीप इनहेल एंड एक्सहेल करेंगे। वन हैंड ऑन योर चेस्ट, वन हैंड ऑन योर बेली। ब्रीथ इन, breathe out. Do nothing, simply feel your breath. Relax. Join your hands. Let's chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face, on your body, your belly. Thank you. Thank you so much for attending this session. We'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.